door, and we go up in flames.
Thank you. Now, how the hell do we get out of here? The smoke. I can't see a damn thing. Right. I'll try to keep up.
Can't afford to stay idle.
The pride of the gate.
There is work to do.
Action, not reaction. Objective noted.
We slaughtered everyone. Mary. Mary! Mary! My wife, she was outside when the goblins came. She was wearing a green blouse, brown hair, about this tall. Have you seen her? You don't know that. Mary!
It's Miri. It's got to be. I don't think she made it.
Let's chew the fat.
Have you found my Miri? No. It can't be. I need to see. Oh, Miri. No. Miri. No. Gods, no. You should have stayed. You should have been with me. was in our room. We had a fight. If I just kept my mouth shut about that bloody dowry, she'd still be here. It's for her sister's wedding. I made a stupid joke about keeping it. We argued about it for hours. Then she took the dowry and left. She said I'd never see her again. She was right. How is this a blessing? You should have let me burn.
How has this hay not gone up in flames?
What am I to do? There's something hidden here, in the hay. Got to keep moving.
A hero at heart. Could come in handy.
Assume nothing.
Sharp as ever. Keeping pace. Surprises.
I know this doesn't change anything, but it helps. Thank you. I need some time alone with her to say goodbye.